Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the prisoner skin from Among Us. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, if you want to see more Among Us drawing tutorials, please check out the link in the description box below, and remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing the face shield. Start with a curved line here. Then draw a horizontal line across for the top and curve it downwards to the right. Now close it off at the bottom. Let's draw the hair now. To the left of the face shield, draw a curved line. And then another one here. Now close off the bottom of the lines with a curved zigzag. Next, draw a curved line across to the top of the face shield and then up. Now for the top, draw an S-shaped curve. Then close off the hair with a curved V shape. Let's draw the sides of the body next. Draw a line down from the hair to the top right of the face shield. Then continue this line down under. Next, draw the left side of the body. Let's draw the legs now. Draw a curved line across the bottom left here. And then a vertical line. Now draw a curved line across for the bottom of the body. Then draw the other leg in the same way. Next, let's draw the backpack with a rectangle shape on the left side. Now let's draw the outfit. Under the face shield, draw a wide V shape. Then connect the left to the side of the body across like this. Now under the V, draw the collar. Lastly, draw lines across on each leg. He has a number written on his shirt here in white. You can choose to draw that now, but I'm going to add that while I'm coloring. And that's it for the prisoner skin. Let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.